This Hormone Reset Club tutorial is going to cover downloading the files for Microsoft Excel. Make sure you are on your download materials page and you scroll down to where it says download Excel files. Click and a window will open up. And first thing, notice it says month 1 Excel downloads.zip. These are zip files, which means they need to be extracted. You're going to look for the download button, the little down arrow inside of a open box. Click on it. And it automatically downloads to your download folder. You can tell it's a zipped file because it has zipper across the file name. I'm going to double click. I'm going to enlarge my window, maximize it so that I can see the extract all and extract all. I'm going to browse in order to find my HRC folder. And I like to make sure that the Show Extracted Files when complete is checked so that I get to see where my extracted files are. And extract. Here's my month 1 downloads. Double click and there they are. Now there will be 2 more videos that actually go over what is the hormone profile diagnostic and how to use it, and what is the progress tracker and how to use it.